How to add outline in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an outline. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now you can create or import any of the images here. So I'm selecting on one image. Now I've been loading to this editing interface. Now again, simply tap on this photo. Now here you'll be able to see different tools and functions available. So slowly scroll down. Now here you'll be able to see the option called outline. Simply tap on outline. Now here you can see the size, glow and color that you can select from. So here I'm tapping on color, and here you'll be able to change the outline with it. So you can adjust it accordingly and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.